Silvergate, pretty much we heard about this last week. They pre-warned that they might go out of business. So you kind of already saw that knee-jerk reaction in Bitcoin and Ether prices. We're still sub 22,000, which some say is a hold level, right? A critically important psychological level for Bitcoin pricing. Yes, go ahead. You were going to say something.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
No.
But the good thing here in the entire crypto market is that Silvergate is giving all the money back to customers. So everybody gets to be made whole, unlike FTX. In some ways, Silvergate's also a victim of the FTX collapse. They were the main banker to Sam Bankman-Fried and his exchange, and they barely survived that $4 billion bank run in the weeks after FTX's collapse, tapping loans, selling debt. Silvergate at its peak was worth over $200, and now it's a $3 stock. So as a result of Silvergate's collapse, you have other banking moves. JPM ending their relationship now with the Winklevoss twins' crypto exchange Gemini, according to reports. And you also have analysts warning that there's a lack of banking partners for crypto companies to work with. For instance, there isn't that much liquidity. You can't exactly sell your Bitcoin right away to raise cash. And there are concerns that these companies might go out of business.
What's JP Morgan doing?
Well, also, remember Just Staley, the former private banker, CEO. This is a headline being made everywhere. JP Morgan is trying to sue and claw back $80 million in pay from their former private bank CEO, Just Staley, over his alleged inappropriate relationship with Jeffrey Epstein. Also, I think we should be very concerned about what's happening in banking. Credit Suisse is one of the largest investment banks in the world. Their survival now is being questioned after they delayed their annual report with SEC questions over their accounting in 2019 and 2020 before COVID. Also, when I throw in Silicon Valley Bank, the stock is down 41%. They are now being forced to raise almost $2 billion in capital just to stay alive because of losses from security sales, bad security sales, and a dry up when it comes to venture capital activity. You were talking about 2008. I think let's keep that in context. This is not 2008, but there are concerns over banks.
Wow, that's very